All right, making dog tags. I had a bunch of footage. I don't know what happened to it, but I'm just going to kind of reenact what I did here. This is a 2.5 by 2-inch recess to accommodate this piece of aluminum that I had. So what I did was I cut, you can see I put bluing fluid on there, scribed a line, cut it as straight and square as I could, 2 by 2, and then just double side tape, put the piece in there, and then on the first side I cut the Viking logo along with the word Skål for the Skål chant, and I don't believe it was on this side, but the one thing I learned is that when you're doing this, you have to take your artwork and you have to flip it to keep it in the proper orientation. So then when I took my square out and flipped it and registered the straight edge against this, you can see now the hole moved to this side. So I scribed Teddy and my phone number, and then when I was on this side, I believe this was probably shifted over just a little bit this way. I scribed the outside line of the finished tag, and then I cut it out roughly, and then I just put it on my belt sander and sanded to the line basically, and then rounded the edges. But it turned out pretty nice. So now if he loses a tag or whatever, I can recreate one pretty easy. And the other thing I did was mark for this hole as well with the bit, just a quick little divot there, and then used an 1/8 inch bit to go through. I probably could have drilled it out, but it was easier to take it to the drill press. So if you're interested in making dog tags, pretty easily done. You just have to have that secured so it doesn't move, and like I said, I used double-sided tape, and it turned out really well. So you can see how nice that looks anyway. And it didn't take all that long, maybe 5 minutes, but I did screw one up before I did this one because I did not flip my artwork in relation to where the hole is. So the hole's on the left side now, and then on this way it's on the right side. And what happened was my artwork was shifted over too far this way. So there you are. Thanks for watching.